You can easily create a playlist for your professional learning session using Spotify. First, you will need to create a free account. Then, from the home page, select Create Playlist. You'll want to give your playlist a title, and you can do so by double-clicking My Playlist Number 1. Once you've selected a title, click Save. Now it's time to search for songs. You can search for songs for your playlist in the search bar below. Just start typing in the name of a song. And you scroll down, and if you want to add that song to your playlist, just click the Add button. Repeat this process as many times as needed until you have at least an hour's worth of songs. Be sure to include high-energy hits, feature some oldies but goodies, and try tying a few songs to your event theme. Good luck!